channel, it's Carla from KX. I hope you enjoyed my previous video. I want to show you my beautiful new Revolution palette I got from Takealot. It's Loaded Up palette and it's full of like rose gold colors. So in love with rose gold. And yeah, I just want to show you all the beautiful colors I have. But let's first open it. So as you can see, there's 45 beautiful colors in here. Let's check the first row. Yeah, I got a really light skin, so it's a bit difficult to see here. But it's very shimmery colors. So as you can see, shiny. Okay, so the second row. Colors are very pigmented, so you don't have to use a lot to see the color. That's your second row. Okay, so third row. This one has a nice grey color here, you can see. This is sparkly black. So yeah, that's your middle row. I love it. It's so beautiful. Check that rose gold. Okay, so your fourth row. It's got a bit more matte colors in. This is still shimmery pink. Watch out to color your white like I just did. Oh wow, and luckily I have a nice silver now, hey? These are your matte colors, these last three. They complement each other quite well. Okay, and now for the last row. Or your light colors. On my super redhead light skin, so a bit difficult to see on me in this light, but I can promise you they're very pigmented and shiny and beautiful colors. Last one, your orange. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Please share my videos and I'll see you next time.